Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Adrenergic drugs. Adrenergic drugs are of four types. We have direct receptor agonists like we have adrenaline. Then we have indirect receptor agonists like we have tyramine, amphetamine, modafinil. Then we have mixed, that is both, above all mixed, both, that is direct receptor and indirect receptor. And these mixed adrenergic agonists include, we have ephedrine, pseudoephedrine and mephentermine are seen. Then we also have pure agonists like alpha agonists and beta agonists. Pure alpha agonists are methoxamine or midodrine, whereas pure beta agonists are isoproterenol.
thank you and thank you for watching.